What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail. And today's cocktail, guys, is the Jack and Rose, which is straight out of the Bonneville Cocktail Collection YouTube channel as part of the Survival Kit recipe book, which I will show you how to make a Jack and Rose. The first thing you do is get your shaker and put some ice. And the first ingredient to go in, guys, is 60ml or 2 ounces of apple brandy. I'm using Calvados. Next ingredient, guys, is 25ml or just short of 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. The last ingredient, guys, is 20ml, which is 3/4 of an ounce of Grenadine. I'd shake 8 to 10 seconds, getting nice and chilled. Give it a bang and now give it a good shake. I give it a good bang to separate. Now straight into a Martini glass. So it's got a very nice red colour, nice blood red colour, I'd say. Right, guys, that is how you make the Jack and Rose. How does it taste? It's quite sweet, but it's quite powerful as well at the same time. Actually, you can the strongest taste and taste is the apple brandy. That's what stands out the most. But it's certainly great. It gives it that absolutely beautiful reddish red colour. I said, but certainly quite beautiful. I said it's certainly quite sweet as well, but it balances out nicely with the lemon juice. Absolutely beautiful. But that is the Jack and Rose cocktail, and that is all for now. But don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid if you wish to see more cocktails like this. And I will see you for the next cocktail video. Cheers.